I personally find it a lot of fun to meet people for the first time and to be referred by people that are current clients or, however people find me. I'm always flattered and I'm always honored to give them, for them to give me the opportunity to sit with them and talk about themselves because that's, the most important thing is what is their situation in life. And if their situation, everybody's is different, everybody's is unique. Some people have kids, some people don't have kids. Some people have grandkids and they want to help the grandchildren as much as possible. Some people feel like, hey, the grandkids are way down the line. I'm going to maximize my enjoyment in retirement. So it's going to be different for me. So, when people get with me. We start out with just a fact finding conversation where I get to know them and understand where they're at today in life, where they want to be, what's important to them, what are their hot buttons, what gets them excited, what makes them cringe when it comes to investing and saving and retiring. Um, so those are important things to know. And then that relationship's going to be established where I'll go back and do some homework and research and we'll put some things together and we'll go back in the second meeting and talk about it. And we'll talk about does this plan or this type of opportunity or recommendation make sense for them? In most cases, it does. There are occasions where I may not be able to come up with a better situation for them. It's very unlikely, but it's happened. And I'll be the first to admit it. So, we're honored that people do reach out to us. And, I've been a fiduciary advisor now for almost 12 years, and I've been in the insurance industry for about 15. It's unbelievably quickly as far as how fast it's gone by. But, to bring both of those worlds together, it's the best of both worlds. And it really is important for people to be looked at from their overall situation, whether it be health insurance, life insurance, tax-free ideas for retirement, which we've talked about, as well as, hey, their actual long-term goals and income planning and retirement, which is also very, very, very important.